In this example, we're going to have to come up with our own system of linear equations and then solve it. So Nuri invested $2,000, part of it at an annual interest rate of 8% and the rest at an annual interest rate of 10%. I don't know why she didn't just invest it all at 10%. After 1 year, the total interest was $190. So we're going to choose some variables. We're going to say X is the part that was invested at 8%, and Y is going to be the chunk that was invested at 10%. So we know a couple things. We know that X plus Y is equal to 2,000. We also know that the interest earned on the X part plus the interest earned on the Y part equals 190. So now we can solve by substitution. We want to isolate one of our variables. When we look at that first equation, we have X and Y both with a coefficient of 1. So we can isolate either one of those. Doesn't matter which one. In this case, we'll isolate X just for something different. So we will subtract Y from both sides. So we get X is equal to 2,000 minus Y. So now we're going to take this value for X, substitute in that right here, and see where that takes us. So we end up with 0.08 multiplied by 2,000 minus Y plus 0.1 Y is equal to 190. We distribute, we get 100, we get 16 minus Y. All right, scratch that. Let's try that again. So 0.08 times 2,000 is 160 minus 0.08 Y plus 0.10 Y equal to 190. We'll combine our like terms. We'll subtract 160 from both sides. So we have 0.02 Y is equal to 30. We'll divide both sides by 0.02. We end up with Y is equal to 1,500. All right, and we can go back over here, and if Y is 1,500, then X must be 500, right? Because X plus Y is equal to 2,000. So we have X is 500 and Y is 1,500.